A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Someone in the crowd said to Jesus, "Teacher, tell my brother to give me a share of our inheritance." He replied, "Friend, who has set me as your judge or arbiter?" Then he said to the crowd, "Avoid greed in all its forms. A man may be wealthy, but his possession does not guarantee him life." He told them a parable in these words. There was a rich man who had a good harvest. "What shall I do?" he asked himself. "I have no place to store my harvest." "I know," he said, "I will pull down my grain bins and build larger ones. All my grains and wood will go there. Then I will say to myself, you have blessings in reserve for years to come. Relax, eat heartily, drink well, enjoy yourself." But God said to him, "You fool, this very night your life shall be required of you. To whom will all this piled up wealth of yours go?" That is the way it works with the man who grows rich for himself, instead growing rich in the sight of God. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Peace always be with us.
In a similar way, when supper was ended, he took the chalice, and once more giving thanks, he gave it to his disciples, saying, "Take this, all of you, and drink from it. For this is the chalice of my blood, the blood of the new and eternal covenant, which will be poured out for you and for many for the forgiveness of sins. Do this in memory of me." The mystery of faith.
Teka lang nga, sandali lang. Hintayin mo lang. Wait sana.